Hi, my name is Sonja, and I am super excited for this opportunity to be talking with you guys. I have my undergrad degree in neurobiology and physiology, and I got that from the University of Maryland, College Park in 2006. So I have been out of school for a while, okay? But I still remember some things. I'm also a first generation immigrant. My parents came here from Barbados in the early 70s or late 70s, and I was born here in America. Now, I was not the first one to go to college in America. My dad actually went to college here, but I am the first to navigate getting into college from high school and all of what that takes. I do remember the struggle with FAFSA and the essays and all of those different things. A couple of pieces of advice for that is to make sure that you take advantage of your high school counselors and also take advantage of any mentor that you may have around you. They're going to help you proof those essays and really make sure that you get ready for getting into college. Now, when I got there, I got my degree in neurobiology and physiology. And how I picked that major is kind of funny. In college, you usually declare your major in your sophomore year. And by that time, I had already known I wanted to do bio. So I had started down that trek, but I had to figure out, well, which type of biology did I want to do? And I realized, looking at all the different concentrations, I didn't like plants, so wasn't going to do plant biology. Didn't really care about cells, so no cell molecular biology or microbiology, all those different things. I landed on neurobiology and physiology because that had the most classes that seemed to be of interest for me. So when picking your major, really look at the different classes that are involved in making that happen. And when you make a decision like that, that's going to help you to move forward. So, one major thing that I think is key to having a successful time in college is having a strong community. Really finding things that interest you and getting plugged in. I actually was in the marching band and in the Caribbean Students Association, and I've done several other things in college as well. And those were the things that really helped me. I had a place to escape when things got too tough. I had other people who were doing the same, having the same struggles, the same adjustments to college life that I could talk with. I also was a part of the College Park Scholars Program, and that was a program that kind of brought everybody together in an automatic community. So everybody in that program all lived together. We took several classes together. We had different symposiums and things like that. So that was really helpful for me. The key to a great college experience is community. And then finally, I did tell you that I went and got my neurobiology and physiology degree. I thought I was going to be a doctor. Did I become a doctor? No, I did not. And I think that's the really good thing about college. If you take it seriously enough and if you figure out how to navigate all of these different things, you're going to learn what you really want to do in life. For me, I realized that being a doctor was not for me because I did several things. I went on visits to medical school and learned about the different ins and outs. And I realized that wasn't really what I wanted to do. I actually volunteered at an emergency room. And although it was fun and I got to do a lot of cool things, it didn't feel right. So I suggest for every single person that if you go into college knowing exactly what you want to do, make sure that you actually take up some internships in that area so that you can really see what day to day life would be for that. Now, I did not become a doctor, but I am a health statistician. I actually went on to get my master's of public health in epidemiology, which is the study of the social determinants of disease, meaning that I learn how to study the environment around us and see how it affects health. And my current position, I am a health statistician, and I am a team lead over a group of people who manage several nationally representative healthcare related surveys. And I love it. It was exactly what I was supposed to be doing. And I still to this day use the degrees that I got because I learned how to use the information that I learned in that degree to understand the data that I collect. So I still use it. It's still useful. Um, One thing that I would really encourage you to do is to be okay with change. Be okay with not getting it right all the time. Be okay with finding community and being vulnerable with people so that you can grow. Those are the key things that helped me in moving through this whole college life.